Hey, assalamu alaikum everybody, it's Jenna G, that's me, the hijab from TNT. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you all how to make a typical traditional Trini style dal. And we're going to be using yellow split peas, of course, and most importantly for this video, whole grain geera. Now I'm stressing on that because I did a dal video already, but I used garlic instead, and so many of you commented and said that's not how to make a typical Trini dal. So today's video is going to be on a traditional style dal. So we're just going to go through the basic ingredients for our dal. So I'm going to be using yellow split peas, and of course I'm going to be adding some saffron powder to it, some roasted jeera, pepper, garlic, onion. And this is what the whole grain jeera looks like, and this is what they normally chunky the dal using instead of the garlic that I would have used in my previous video. This is what they usually use in a typical traditional Trini style dal. Now I know a lot of my Guyanese followers even said that they use this with some garlic chunks as well in the oil, but for this video I'm just going to be using this. But again, it's up to you. You can use this and the garlic. You can use the garlic alone as I did in my previous video, or you can use just both of them. So for you guys who are not too sure about what chunkayed means, it's just basically adding some heated oil to your dish that you're preparing, and it usually adds some great smoky flavor to the dish, and it's quite popular here in Trinidad and a lot of the Caribbean countries as well. So to our boiling water now, what we're going to do is just basically add our washed split peas. And next you're going to add your onion, pepper and your garlic, followed by your saffron powder. Now this is going to give the nice yellow color, and some jeera, roasted jeera going in there as well. You're going to add a little bit of salt. Of course you can taste after as well, and we add in some black pepper as well. Now you want to let this boil until the split peas are nice and soft, and then we're going to use our hand blender and just mix it all together. So it's been boiling for a while. You see most of the water is gone. I'm just going to be adding some more water to this and let it boil down some more until the split peas are much softer than this. Alright, so it's been boiling for a while and the split peas are nice and soft. So I'm turning off the stove now. What I'm going to do next is just use my hand blender and just blend it all up until it's nice and smooth with no chunks of split peas in it. Alright, so once you're finished and it's all nice and smooth, the next step will be to chunk it. So this chunking step, I have some oil heating in my pan, and you want to add in the whole grain jeera to it. And they're going to start it they're going to get dark in color. Now this is the step in my previous video where I just added garlic instead of the whole grain jeera. But according to many of the people who commented, this is the proper way to make a typical Trini traditional dal. So I just had to do a video for you guys who aren't too sure so much of what exactly it entails. So the only major difference is just the whole grain jeera in the oil for this step. Alright, so once the whole grain jeera nice and dark in color, next step is adding it to the dal. Now you want to be careful because it could burn, and you want to also have a hot cover handy. So you're just going to throw it in and cover it. And this is dal with your whole grain jeera, and this is what so many people like to see. So now the consistency of your dal, now some people like thick dal, some like watery dal. Hey, it's up to you. But if you, when you're boiling it, and let's say you sort of misaverage, you don't know how to average how much water, you just blend it up like we did. And if it's too thick, you can just add some hot boiling water to your dal mixture. Now if it is too thin, you're just going to put it back on the stove for a little while until you get your perfect thickness for your dal. Alright guys, so that brings us to the end of our dal video. So you see how nice, this is the consistency that I like, and of course when it gets cool, it's going to thicken up as well. So you know, you just adjust it accordingly. Add some water or just put it back on the stove after you blend it up until you get the right consistency you want. So we have our nice roasted whole geera in it, and of course, you know, you taste for your salt and your black pepper. You add if you need more hot pepper as well, you can also add that. So to this with this I'm going to be eating it with some rice, of course, and some saltfish and tomatoes. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and if you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share with all your friends and your family, and share it with somebody who just might be interested in knowing how to make a traditional Trini style dal. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.